Hey, don't scroll. Take a look at this fine boy. What do you see? I don't think you need medicated glasses to see a future billionaire by just looking at him. A billionaire can never be overshadowed. Even if he finds himself in the midst of poor masses, he will definitely stand out. This is the power of too much money. Ghana your standard. Mr. and Mrs. Genesis Ochiako, adorable cute couple, see their result now. Sweet fine boy. Happy birthday to you, handsome Tina Zebero Ochiako. You are officially 2 years old today, and your loving parents have asked me to remind you how priceless you are to them. Your beautiful mommy, Mrs. Nelly Ochiako, say Naza, you are my word, my first fruit and womb opener. I cherish you eternally. He said your birth brought breakthrough and heavy blessings to our home, and you will forever remain a testimony to our lives. Your parents say as you turn to today, we wish you God's blessings in massive abundance. By the grace of God, we shall never lack resources to raise you to a responsible adult. Wishing you wisdom and academic excellence. Grow and soar very high above your peers. Live long.